Last year for Christmas I designed and print out cookie cutters. It was a really great project. If you didn't saw it, check it out right here or in the description, there is a link also to this video. But this year I wanted to make an electronics project and I thought that why not to make a custom PCB, Christmas PCB. So I designed one and here I have it. But before we will start, a quick message from the sponsor.
This video is sponsored by JLC PCB, 10 professional manufactured PCBs 10 by 10 cm for just $2. It's really not worth to make them at home. Manufacturing time is about 2 days and you have a lot of options to choose from. Another cool thing I like about JLC is online viewer. You can change color of solder mask and check if all of the Gerber files are okay. That's very useful.
I hope you enjoyed this very simple Christmas project. I really like it. It really looks like a Christmas tree, maybe it's just a little bit too small. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Happy making, Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays. Bye.